All right, check. I don't know if you can see this, but the TV is on. It has Netflix, streaming something, PBS Kids, Hulu, the antenna. It's it's 2 years old. It's a Roku TV Element. I bought it in 2018, 65-inch TV, and recently it's been getting this black screens. I can't find anything to like fix it, but I figured out a way to fix it, and it's a very archaic way because all you do is just hit it in the back, like really, like that, and it gets fixed. Um, yeah, usually it'll take a few bangs. Sometimes you need to like really bang it really hard to the point where your hands are hurting, but give it a rest and come back like 5 minutes later, and then just do another bang bang, and it'll work. It works for me. I don't know how long this method would work. I really think that uh, it'll be dead pretty soon. But for now, banging it on the back, it works. Hope if you have the same problem. I did searched, and a lot of people have this issue with the same TV. Uh, Definitely not worth 700 or 600 or $400 I spend. It's only been good for 2 years. Like I said, I bought it 2018. It's 2020 right now. But yeah, hope it works. If you're looking for this, how to fix the black screen on the Roku TVs, just give it a bang in the back. Give it a bang on the back, and hopefully it works for you too.